At IABG, we test where others reach their limits, under real-world conditions, with full-scale forces. With our drop and impact testing facilities, we support the verification and qualification of components and products. We translate a defined load scenario precisely into a physical test. This enables us to prove functionality and assess system behavior under the influence of a defined force pulse. High-speed sensors and cameras capture every detail: forces, speeds, deformations, and material response, all in milliseconds. Our advanced optical systems deliver sharp, high-resolution imagery for reliable and validatable photogrammetric analysis. IABG, high-risk testing driven by responsibility.